In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your Epson WorkForce ES-60w scanner with Macbook using a USB cable which we get with this scanner. Now insert the one end to your scanner and connect the other end with your Macbook. Now switch on this scanner, so press the button to the right hand side and now go to your Macbook. Once you connect it, you go to your Macbook, open the web browser, type in Epson Scan Smart Download, go to the Epson website and download your scanner drivers. Now click, it says driver and utility combo package, click here, enter your scanner number and name, select it. It can show the operating system of your Mac, and here we have the driver and utility installer. Click download, open the file, install, open, accept terms and conditions, click next. You can select the scanner setup using USB. Select connect via USB cable, click next. Instantly it will add up. Now click next. We can do a test scanning here. So go to your scanner and place a page. Click next button. Press scan button on the scanner. Instantly it will scan and it will transfer it to your MacBook. So this way we can do the setup and we can use this scanner with the MacBook. Now you can finish your update and it is done. So whenever you want to use it, you can simply plug in the USB cable and then you can use your scanner for scanning documents. Thanks for watching.